Rajneesh is arranging appointment with Institute for Miss Ineka Island for job in India.
Hello. Yeah. I'll come back to you later. I have some other commitment. I'll meet you soon. Bye.
Hey, Miss Anika, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
Fine. How was your flight?
It was pleasant.
Okay. Let's go to.
Yeah, sure. Hello, Rajneesh. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am good. Come, sit.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Are you finding it comfortable?
Yeah, pretty much.
Because India is totally different from Netherlands. The climates, regarding climates and the culture difference, everything. You are finding little bit different here.
Yeah. I assume that it is totally different from my country.
But are you finding it
Netherlands.
comfortable?
Yeah. Rajneesh, can I discuss some article with you?
Yes, sure, ma'am. What is the article about?
While coming, I read an article about Hofstede cultural difference. And do you know the Netherlands power distance is 38% and individualism is 80%? Because
Can you tell me why the power distance is less than individualism in Netherlands?
the individualism is 80% because the Netherlands people take care of themselves.
Okay, but when you come to India, it is totally different. As we compare with Netherlands, power distance is much more taken interest because we follow some hierarchy level, and
Okay.
individualism is not taken as much interest because here we are living in a large social framework.
Okay, large social framework, right?
Yes, ma'am.
As I was following the article, I came to know that Indian culture give more emphasis to long-term orientation compared to Netherlands. Why it is so?
Yes, because here people believes in karma and they are from pragmatic. They are believe in pragmatic culture and they also belong from philosophical thoughts.
Okay, karma and philosophical thoughts,
Thoughts.
right? Thank you for clearing this doubt of culture difference between two countries. Rajneesh, can you give me some more information about the current education system of India?
Yes, sure, ma'am. Because you are coming from Netherlands and you don't know about the current scenario of the education system in India.
Definitely.
Because you want to develop your career, you want to expose yourself in this field in education system. I want to inform you. I want to tell you about the current scenario. As I want to tell you that your current scenario of education system, students are much interested in taking higher education. They are much interested because they are much interested because living education they work. As I already told you, in India people believe in karma. First they want to complete their work and after that they go for a study in weekends, and they basically believes in correspondence studies.
Okay.
And India is trying to develop their education system by providing vocational training, giving opportunity to the students in sports and many other activities so that they can create more interest towards the higher education.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you. This information will really help me out.
Yes, ma'am. Any further information if you want, you can come to me and I can proceed.
Yeah, sure. Rajneesh, I heard that you have some plans for my career in India, right?
Yes, ma'am. When I heard that you are coming from Netherlands to expose yourself in education system, I have already selected some of the institutes on the basis of your education qualification. This is the list of the education systems.
Okay. IBS, IBM, ISMS. Why it doesn't talk?
Based on your education qualification, ISMS is one of the best institute where you can put your opportunities and responsibilities and deliver your duty properly. Because here students are much more interested in learning foreign language. Already Dutch language is teaching in these institutes, and it will help you because here you cannot find much difficult to teach Dutch language to the students.
Okay, Rajneesh, can you fix a visit to ISMS?
Yes, ma'am. Before coming here, I already fixed your appointment with the institute and with the MD of the institute.
Wow, great. When is the appointment?
Yes, ma'am.
visit?
It's tomorrow.
It's tomorrow? Okay, I'll be ready. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yes. See you, sir.
Yes.
May I come in?
Yeah, come in, please.
Good morning, sir. How are
Good
you?
morning. Fine.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Take your seat, please.
Thank you.
Yes.
Sir, already I discussed with you and already I informed you about the professor who is coming from Netherlands.
Okay.
And she already has experience of 5 to 10 years in education system,
Yeah.
and she wants to share her experience and wants to tell about the Netherlands culture and language to her student, and she also wants to start her career through her institute. And her name is Miss Ineka, and she is here.
So you are Miss Ineka. Okay.
Yes.
We are very much pleased to you here in our institution. We are looking for a best outcome of your experience that can get our students in my college. Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to serve this institute. I will share my knowledge, experience, and deliver my duties and responsibility to your student, and definitely I will fulfill your expectations.
Yeah. Thank you. Let's hope your presence make difference in our college.
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir. Hello, Anu. Hello, Afroz. How are you?
Fine.
Can I ask some question to you?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, I want to know what is the syllabus and the teaching pattern of the institute, and also I want to know the mentality of the student.
See, teaching pattern is mainly depends upon students and teachers.
We deal with theoretical subjects and like giving presentations, case studies, and then later the students come up with the new ideas and thoughts, and with that they will perform well in their academics, and they will give the good results to the institution.
Okay, presentation and
And
case
case
studies.
studies.
Yeah.
And we also give them assignments and more practical subjects for the increased practical knowledge for the practical subjects.
Okay. You mean to say that you give assignments and case studies for practical
Yeah,
subjects,
exactly.
right? Thanks a lot. It will help me in continuing my teaching section with them. And by the way, I am here for the Dutch lecturer, and it's pleasure to meet you.
Same.
Thank you. I'll take a lead. Rajneesh, can you tell me the evaluation pattern of the institute?
Yes, sure, ma'am. Why not? I would like to tell you about the evaluation pattern.
Yeah.
Basically, in India, evaluation pattern depends upon the percentage systems, and I can tell you about that grading system depend upon the university to university, and also as per concern to ISMS, it's basically deal with percentage system.
Okay, I got it. But how can I approach to students?
Yeah, you can approach to students by giving them interacting sessions, and also by teaching them through audio visuals, and also giving them lots of case study assignments for the practical subjects, as you have discussed already with faculty, and you come to know what was the syllabus and the teaching pattern of ISMS.
Yeah, I got some idea about the teaching pattern of ISMS through the faculty of ISMS, and I guess I'll work on it and make it better.
Yeah,
Thank you.
If you want much more information regarding the study pattern, you can talk to them more frequently and more.
Yeah, they also told me the same. Thank you for this, clearing my queries actually.
Thank you, ma'am. Any
Yeah.
further query, you can obviously proceed.
Thank you.
Good morning,
Good morning,
sir.
sir. Good morning.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
It's pleasure to have you, Miss Ineka Friesland from Netherlands. Now I would like to give a brief explanation about her. She has completed her Masters in Dutch Literature and History from University of Nijmegen. It is our pleasure to have you to. She will take you a class foreign language called Dutch. Now it's all yours. From here you can take from the class.
Thank you, sir.
Now, Miss Ineka taking a training session with students of ISMS.
Mr. Ineka.